What do we do here at Refuge? I like to think we make magic. My name's Fred Ruff, and I'm the owner and VFX supervisor here at Refuge VFX. Visual effects can be anything from painting somebody out to creating an entire crazy CG creature and bringing it to life. For what we do, we are constantly iterating. We're creating animation, we're rendering it off, which means we're making a lot of frames of animation, and then we're making a lot of video files, and we're doing that daily. And we're making changes to those things. We're looking at them and making slight tweaks and slight adjustments to make it better and better to get it photorealistic. That kind of workflow creates a lot of data on your server, and a lot of that stuff needs to be transferred back and forth. We've gone from high definition television, and now we're up to ultra high definition. And of course, everybody wants ultra high definition. The file sizes are 4 times larger, and the deliveries are getting larger because they want better bit depth in the images and better color quality. So we're starting to run into limitations on how fast we can move those files across our networks. In visual effects, we have one of the highest security protocols. To be able to work for Disney and Marvel, you need a really isolated network so that nobody can get in and nobody can take any data from you. To do that, we often have one network for our production artists where they're working, and another network where our producers are communicating with clients and sending data back and forth. And between those two does exist a firewall. That firewall can be a bottleneck. We ran into a situation recently when we were trying to get something out for Netflix. We were working on a show called Space Force, and we had done dozens and dozens of shots, and we were down to the wire of getting them to the client, and we literally had issues just transferring from one network inside the office to the other network because we were limited by the speed of that firewall. We want to be able to take that data at the end of the day and send it across our network as fast as possible to get it out to the client, and the new WatchGuard M470 really helped us do that. The M470 has a SFP Plus module which gets you up to 10 gig speeds, not to mention how sexy the thing is. When COVID-19 hit, every production shut down and no one knew what was going to happen. We were really lucky enough to actually have a T35 at the time, which is another WatchGuard device, that allowed us to just turn on our VPN option and allow our users to connect in from home, allowing them to keep working and also be safe. We were really able to take a couple shows that were finishing up right before COVID hit and keep producing work and animation for them right through all the way until August, which was kind of amazing. And with that WatchGuard device, it really allowed us to kind of just turn on those features and kind of move forward and keep the business running. The result of all this is you have a device in your firewall, in your server room that allows you to sleep at night. I don't have to ever worry about losing content across my network. I don't have to worry about a new virus or a new hack coming in because the WatchGuard keeps itself up to date, and it'll let me know if anything looks precarious or strange that's going on.